Are you looking for the best folding bikes? In this video, we will look at some of the best folding bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iGoGiomi ALPS Folding Electric Bike. The iGoGiomi ALPS folding electric bike offers an innovative and convenient solution for urban commuters and cyclists. With its unique three-part fold design, it allows users to transform the bike into a small and compact package in just 25 seconds. When folded, the bike measures 28.7 inches in height, 26 inches in length, and 13 inches in width, and it weighs only 32 pounds. This compact size makes it easy to tow, stow, and carry, making it suitable for various modes of transportation, including rush hour trains, metros, underground systems, overground transportation, car trunks, and cabs. Users no longer need to worry about leaving their bike outside, as it can be conveniently taken indoors. The iGoGiomi ALPS folding electric bike offers riders a high degree of customization in their riding experience. It features 3 different riding modes to cater to various preferences and needs. Riders can opt for full throttle and rely solely on battery power, reaching speeds of up to 18.75 miles per hour. Alternatively, they can choose to ride it as a traditional pedal-only bicycle. For those seeking an extra boost of electric power, there is a pedal-to-go mode that provides assistance as the rider pedals, making cycling easier and less strenuous. Number 2. ZiZZO via 20-inch folding bike. The ZiZZO via 20-inch folding bike is a remarkable solution for individuals seeking a convenient and portable bicycle option. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum frame, this folding bike is designed to meet the needs of various riders, offering a host of features that make it stand out in the world of compact, folding bicycles. One of the key highlights of the ZiZZO via 20-inch is its ability to fold in seconds, making it incredibly easy to carry and store. This feature is particularly advantageous for commuters and city dwellers who want to avoid leaving their bikes unattended outdoors. The bike's single folding aluminum alloy stem ensures a swift and hassle-free folding process. In terms of performance, the ZiZZO via 20-inch boasts genuine Shimano components, including a 7-speed gear system and a grip-style shifter. This setup allows riders to tackle a variety of terrains and inclines, offering versatility and control during their rides. The inclusion of resin folding pedals enhances the bike's compactness when folded, while a wider, comfortable saddle ensures a pleasant riding experience. For added convenience, the ZiZZO via 20-inch folding bike features a magnet catcher mechanism, which securely holds the folded frame together, preventing any unintended unfolding. Its folded dimensions of H27-inch L31W12.5 make it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a car, and its lightweight design, weighing in at just 26.5 pounds, ensures effortless carrying. Number 3. Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike. The Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike is a versatile and practical bicycle designed to meet the needs of a wide range of riders. Its standout feature is its foldable frame, which makes it incredibly convenient for transportation and storage. This bike is a great choice for individuals who require a portable commuting or recreational solution, as it can easily fit in most car trunks, allowing for hassle-free transportation. The bike's construction features a sturdy low-standover steel frame, providing stability and durability while riding. Its 20-inch alloy wheels strike a balance between agility and control, making it suitable for various terrains. The inclusion of one folding pedal and one regular pedal simplifies the folding process, ensuring that it can be efficiently stored in compact spaces. When folded, the dimensions are a mere 30 inches by 32 inches by 11 inches, which is remarkably compact. One of the standout qualities of the Schwinn Hinge is its single-speed drivetrain, which offers an effortless and straightforward riding experience. This feature allows riders to coast when they need a break, making it user-friendly for cyclists of all skill levels. Moreover, the bike boasts a generous maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, accommodating both riders and cargo. Number 4. Ktaxon 20-in Folding Bike Adult Bike. The Ktaxon 20-inch folding bike adult bike offers a versatile and convenient cycling experience with a range of features designed to enhance your ride. One standout feature is its professional 7-speed shifting system, which includes a Shimano TZ500 derailleur and Shimano TX30 shift lever. This system allows for smooth and effortless gear changes with the simple press of a button. In terms of safety, the Ktaxon bike is equipped with powerful mechanical dual-disc brakes that deliver a stronger braking effect and a more responsive braking response, ensuring you can stop quickly and confidently when needed. Comfort is a top priority with this bike. It boasts a special shock-absorbing frame and a lockout suspension fork that work together to provide a double shock absorption effect, resulting in a smoother and more comfortable ride. Additionally, the bike features a widened seat made of faux leather, which not only enhances comfort but also ensures even weight distribution while riding. One of the standout features of the Ktaxon folding bike is its user-friendly design. It comes 100% assembled, so you can start riding right out of the box, eliminating the hassle of complex assembly. Moreover, the bike is designed with a foldable handlebar, making it incredibly convenient to store and transport. Whether you want to stow it in the trunk of your car or tuck it away in a small space, this folding feature makes it easy to do so. Number 5. Zizocampo 20-inch folding bike. The Zizocampo 20-inch folding bike is a versatile and convenient bicycle designed for urban commuters and travelers. One of its standout features is its lightweight aluminum frame, which not only provides durability but also ensures that the bike is easy to carry. This means you never have to worry about leaving it outside, making it an ideal choice for those concerned about bike theft. This folding bike offers a smooth and adaptable riding experience with its 7-speed gearing system and grip-style shifter. This range of speeds allows riders to tackle various terrains and adapt to different riding conditions, making it suitable for both leisurely rides and daily commutes. The Zizocampo also boasts an easy single folding aluminum alloy stem, allowing users to fold and unfold the bike in a matter of seconds. This feature enhances its portability, making it a practical choice for people who need to transport their bike frequently or have limited storage space. Additional comfort features include resin folding pedals for convenience, a wider and comfortable saddle for longer rides, and a magnet catcher to securely hold the folded frame together. This ensures that the bike remains compact and easy to handle when folded.